Hello teacher, my name is Bernardo Mercedes, I'm here again. Now I'm going to pronounce the sound E. That sound. Sound E from the unit 8. Beginning with the words egg, egg, edge, edge, step, step, any, many, can, again, said, says, medal, head, leopard, friend, heifer, guest, umberry, berry. Some sentences: sent, Ben sent Ben for his friend. Sent Ben for his friend. Let's rent a tent. Let's rent a tent. Steve never gets upset. Steve never gets upset. Steve never gets upset. Steve never gets upset. Fred said it again and again. Fred said it again and again. Fred said it again and again. Difference between E and E. Pick, pack. Bed, bed. Lead, led. Miss, mess. Wrist, rest. Lift, left. Big, bag. Feel, fell. Jam. Ting, tang. Slip, slept. Meet, met. Six, sex. Some sentences with those kind of sounds, different sounds. E and E. Pick a peck of pickled peppers. Pick a peck of pickled peppers. Ed slipped and fell in the gym. Evelyn missed the best bid. Peck slept from 6 till 10, then left. Peg slept from 6 till 10, then left. Peg slept from 6 till 10, then left. Different sounds. Difference between the sound E and E. Difference between the sound E and E. Beat, bet. Feel, fell. Geese, guessed. Hid, head. Me, man. Read, read. Seed, said. Ceiling, selling. Sees, says. Bleed, bled. Sentences with the two different sounds, E and E. Please feed the pets and with the bats. Please feed the bats and with the bats. He said he'd eat the red meat. He said he'd eat the red meat. She says she fell and she's bleeding. She says she fell and she's bleeding. She says she fell and she's bleeding. Steve guessed he'd been seen in the chat. Steve guessed he'd been seen in the chat. Finish, teacher.